Hello and welcome again to Stocks Advisor. Today we will talk about AT&T Incorporated, traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name IT. We see this kind of dramatic move, although relatively in percentage-wise, it's of course not big, but given the growth of the company and given the relative decline, of course, it's huge. We have today minus 267%. Based on news and actual declaration that agreement with Discovery was really not nice for the company, and this of course destroyed the price, because what we were observing here before today, it was really classical, very nice growth, and we went to so-called growth regime when moving averages 20, 50, 200, and the price were aligned such a way that you have a steady growth when actually your SMA your price is on top, and then your SMA 20, 50 and 200 are below, and actually SMA 20 works as your let's say support for the price, and the price rebounds from it all the time. So this was indeed the case here. We see this rebounds took place, actually it started by March and rebounds took place first by mid of April, then we had this just a few days ago, but now after big growth, because everyone was really expecting growth, the news actually killed the price. And now the question is, what's next? Are we going to rebound tomorrow from the current price? Because also see the volume traded today is enormous. A lot of people were exiting, and this caused the RSI to decline to the middle. And yeah, now the question is what's next, because looks like the trend is broken, and with this news, let's say, given at least it would be expected that the price should go to this very principal level that was formed here previously, and you see this is the level of 29.29 to actually 29.98, and this would be the most expected attractor level also, because we can see that if the price continues to decline, it most probably will pierce moving average 20, which is also now bending, and we could continue. Although still might be some volatility, because let's say with this volume traded, maybe still there will be a hope for the further let's say growth and recovery. But you can also see that this level, which is the principal support, the top of previous wave, is still not reached, so it's below the trend line, and the trend line which is broken today, let's call it R1, is here. So with this being said, what can we expect here? How can we trade? Well, it would be of course wise to wait before this principal level and use it as our first call out to trade here. So at the moment it's just wait and observe, and then buy whenever we have the opportunity to buy at these levels. This would be the primary technical level to enter, and then actually the level of 30.77 higher will be here let's say the first attractor, and the price could go higher from those. So with this being said, how to trade here and what would be the profit? Because this is of course very nice steady chart, but the relative changes are quite low here. We advise to take profit from 5 to 10%. So whenever you can do it, just take it, re-enter if needed, check other opportunities if you want, but always take the profit when you can, because the profit taken is taken indeed. So take it if you can, re-enter, revisit, but take it. Don't wait too long, because if you wait too long, you might be actually losing opportunity to take the profit. So this will be the first level to buy through. And of course, if we go lower, if the price declines further, then we need to observe the secondary technical channel with which we might trade. And of course, here it will be this volatility point of 28.49, and clearly the support level here, which was working many times as support in September, by end of December, also by beginning of March, which is 27.42. So these are the levels 27.42 and actually 28.49. So let's write them here as a secondary level to buy, and how to buy we will talk later. So these are the levels, the primary and secondary technical levels here. What we could still observe is the further negative catalyst, although it's quite hard because we already have one here and it would be quite difficult to imagine anything to go lower. But still, when one bad news comes, another one could follow. We just need to keep this in mind. And it's not that we predict the price would go really low, but this would be the last level for risk mitigation, and any kind of mitigation of any kind of negative catalyst, which will be between 25.56 and 26.34. So it's not that we predict the price to go there, but this would be just nice level to keep some funds there to average down and then to buy on decline. So these are the levels again, 26.34 at the top and 25.56 at the lowest one. So these are three levels. First, primary technical, secondary technical, and risk mitigation. They are overall very close to each other, but relatively they are far, because this stock is indeed not that volatile, but very nice, very, let's say, volume based, so you can really trade a lot. So this is the stock for those who buy with a lot and wait a lot and sell with a lot, because this is really a big volume. You can see a lot of volume traded daily with a noise level about 25-30 millions per day. And of course, if you want to play with big funds, you can do it here. So that's the way to trade. Overall, of course, it's a pity news, but based on news, we know how to trade. We have three levels here, and still the last one, how to buy through, is classical 5 portions play. So for those who are not first time at our channel, they know what it means. It means that the funds you would like to play here, you can split in 5 portions, then you can buy with 1 portion in the first channel. If the primary technical channel is not confirmed and we are declining to the second one, you can buy with another 2 portions. And whenever there is a negative catalyst kicking in and the price really plunders to the third level, while others will be exiting, you buy again with remaining 2 portions, and you will be able to make the designated profit here after that. So as you can see, we don't discuss any stop loss, cut loss, but we just discuss profit taking. We really do optimize with mitigating major risks, and once all risks are mitigated, what remains for you is to take the profit. So with this being said, this is the trading card for AT&T. Trading card means you can use it as a guide for your trade for upcoming days. You can print it out, print screen it, save it as you like, and use it if you like the analysis. And also, if you like the way of analysis we provide at our channel and the idea of trading, don't forget to subscribe, follow, press the bell button. This way you will not miss our new videos and new interesting discussions for US-based stocks.